This is officially the first room of Cloudland. Honestly, this is a big moment for me because I've been waiting to say this for like 7 years. Since like 2019, all I could think about is I just want to do another Cloudland. I just want to do another Cloudland. And it's been a really long journey to get here. Hello. This is Amina from the future. When I said that this has been a very long journey, I definitely meant that. I was in a really dark place for a long time. And I just think it's important for you to know about that because I didn't think I was going to make it. I honestly, for a long time, I did not think I was going to survive. I was depressed. I didn't leave my house for years. Like, I literally mean for years I would not go outside. I have been burned out and struggling and dealing with agoraphobia and OCD and chronic illness and relearning how to exist as an adult because I didn't know I was autistic until I was 35. And it is taking me a really long time to be here. So I just wanted you to be like where I am so that you can understand what this moment means to me. Let's go back to past Amina and see what they're up to. Okay, so the first thing I have to do is move everything out of this room, all my furniture, my computer, my art supplies, and then I'm going to wipe and dust off my walls. I'm going to tape everything up, and then I'm going to start painting. It's going to be very colorful in here soon. I'm really looking forward to that. So I really love bouncing on my bouncy ball, and I thought Lavender would love it too, but she wasn't really into it, and I personally thought it was because hers didn't have enough air, so I decided to put more air in it, and I think it worked because she wouldn't stop bouncing. Okay. So we are almost done with the part that I hate, and all that's left is I can see you bouncing in the mirror. All that's left. No, it's fine. Have fun. Keep bouncing. Bounce it out, girly. Okay, so all that's left is just getting all the stuff off of the walls and taking my computer and stuff out. Do we know where we're gonna put that?
Mm-hmm. We're gonna put it in the bedroom.
Okay.
I will transport it and protect it.
Do you want to? We're gonna use the thingy.
We could.
Do we need to?
No.
Okay. This is taking forever. But actually, it's not. I'm being dramatic. It's kind of going kind of fast. I just don't want to do it. And the thing about it that really stresses me out about this is it's just kind of triggering to have all my stuff in boxes over here. This is how I used to live all the time. Like, for years, I lived like this with just boxes, and they would just be like off camera whenever I would like film anything. I never felt safe enough to unpack and to really like settle into any apartment ever since I was in Cloudland. So seeing this just stresses me out. Like, my big thing was like, I don't want stacks of boxes anywhere. But like when you first move, it's kind of inevitable. You're gonna have boxes. It's gonna look like this until I unpack my closet and my studio all the way. It's progress, but it's still stressful. That's my air fryer. Okay.
Sense.
Oh, sorry, I was twirling.
That's a big thing like that.
Yeah. So I hung up my original art using washi tape. It comes off pretty easily. You just have to be very slow. See? I was too fast. You can't just rip it off. It's kind of late in the day. I'm tired. And it's taking like everything I have to not like push through so I can like try and get it done today. Like this seems crazy. Does that sound crazy? Because it feels crazy. The fact that I'm like actually stressed out and worried about something happening. Like I just want to get it done so that it's done and like nothing can stop it. I don't know. I've been thinking a lot about like this issue that I'm having, and I think it has a lot to do with the fact that I don't really trust myself because I haven't built up enough practice at like keeping my own promises to myself, especially around this. I've tried to start painting so many times, and every other time I just couldn't do it. And so a part of me is scared that I'm gonna find some reason that something is gonna come up and I'm not gonna get it done. I'm the only person who can decide whether or not it happens. There's no like magical outside forces controlling what I do. I'm the only one, and I'm ready. I'm ready. And so I'm just going to do it normal style. I'm going to go take my makeup off, go eat some french fries, and rest and watch my same show, which is shrinking right now. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna wake up, I'm gonna get dressed, and then we're gonna paint. And it'll be okay. It's gonna happen. I'm gonna make sure that it happens. Like, I have to believe. I am gonna make sure that it happens. Like, it's okay. We can do this.